Woo-ha! Here we go again. We got another shipment today. You know, when it rains, it pours. We got Team Transport E-Case in. Bang! Man, this is a great week. Fast and Furious yesterday. Team Transport E-Case today. I got to do it. 2 sets of retro. 2 winners of Gran Turismo, 2 Car Culture L case, 3 sets of Gran Turismo 2, the Super Treasure Hunt Porsche, 2 Zamac 8 car sets, 3 Cool Classics, 2 cargo winners. Yesterday was our bonus video of the 2 Fast and Furious sets. Guess what? We're going to do another bonus today. We're going to give 2 of these away, 2 winners for the Team Transport. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but be sure you subscribe and comment so you give yourself a shot on Saturday, September 14th. We're giving it away. Might as well. Here we go. E-Case. Let's see what's in there. All right, here we go. Here's the top-down view that you guys love. Looks like I can see Porsches and Skylines. Okay, well, we're going to start with the one that we've seen before. Okay, we're going to start with the red one. Okay, so cargo, like it says on the box, has 4 pieces. And this is a significantly more expensive item than most of what we order from Mattel. Again, card backs are always fire on the premium, thanks to Julian. This is the one we've seen before. This is the Nissan Skyline with the Secura Sprinter. Incredible red tampos. I think that one first came out in C case. Sick. It's unbelievable. Okay. Then we're going to go with the other Skyline that came in this case. Check that out, guys. It's the Nismo Nissan Skyline GT-R BNR 3.4 with the AERO LIFT. Look at that. Try to get you guys a good view of this. From the behind, you see the tampos. It's got the nice silver paint on it. It's got the racing flag on the hood. It's got the stripes down the side. It's got the blacked out wheels. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm showing you. It's got the AERO LIFT, which is bad to the bone. Okay. That is a new one for this case. And then the other set is also new. There's 2 of them in the case. So 2 of the 4 pieces in this. Okay, so 2 are the Porsche 356A Outlaw with the Momo tampos. And the Momo tampos are on both the Porsche and the Transporter T1. See if I can get you a good view of this one. Who doesn't like the Momo Porsche? That's awesome, guys. Try to get you a good view of the Porsche on the trailer. Man. Car culture, as you know, is just on fire lately. It really is. I love seeing car culture come in. Yesterday, you guys saw the Fast and Furious. Today, see the Team Transport. There's the top-down view of the case. guess what? Here's what we're going to do. These two on the left, those two right there are going to go to a subscriber. These two on the right are going to go to someone that comments. Good luck, guys. I hope you win. Thanks again for joining us. This is Hot Off the Truck with Wheel Collectors. Thanks, guys.